In this video, I will show you how to set restricted mode on TikTok app. So after you open up your TikTok, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now scroll down, go to this where it says content preferences. So under this, now all you have to do now, tap on this restricted mode, tap on it. So as you can see now, here it says restricted mode off. So in order for you to set the restricted mode on your TikTok app, all you have to do now, tap on this turn on button. So now it will ask you now to set a password. I will just type in my password now and tap on this next button and confirm your password now and tap on this set button. So that's it guys on how to set a restricted mode on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.